Welcome back once again to our page.
So we are here once again today to install another Tapolene mobile catfish pond, and this pond is 15 feet by 10 feet with 3 feet in height, and this pond can conveniently take about 1,000 to 1,200 catfish to maturity. When I say maturity, I mean to table size, to grow out, I mean to 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 kg. So this farm is located at Ekpe here in Lagos. For many of us that are in Lagos, they should know where Ekpe is. So join us as we mount this pond on this farm. So in case you need something like this, you can always send us a message. You can give us a call or WhatsApp are going through. We are available to receive your order.
We got to the farm around after 9, and between 2 to 3 hours we were done with the installation. So these are the stands for the mobile pond, and right there we have the tarpaulin and the big pipe for the main outlet. So when you order for your tarpaulin pond like this, it will take us between 10 to 15 working days for it to be constructed and delivered. Why it takes time like this is that we construct our pond according to your own specification. You understand? And always remember that distance is not a barrier. So in our next video, I'll be sharing with you all how we successfully installed this 15 feet by 10 feet with 3 feet height mobile Tapolene catfish pond on this farm. So that will be that for today. Remember to share this video. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.
So you're welcome back once again to our page at Sholex Farms. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how we successfully installed this Tapolene mobile catfish pond on this farm at Ekpe, Lagos State, Nigeria. So this is 15 feet by 10 feet with 3 feet in height Tapolene mobile catfish pond. And this pond will conveniently take about 1,000 catfish to table size. Then for this pond, we actually constructed 14 stands for this pond because it's not a small pond, it's a very big pond, 15 feet by 10 feet. So we have about 14 stands for this Tapolene mobile pond. Then after we are done installing this pond, we will then fixing the outlet and the inlet. The inlets are the pipes that will take in fresh water, while the outlets are the pipe that will help us flush out dirty water easily anytime we want to, drain out dirty water. After we are done installing the inlets and the outlets, then we will proceed to proper treatment and fertilization of this pond. This is a new pond. I keep telling farmers. Some farmers will tell you that when you install new tarpaulin ponds like this, no need of doing anything, just put water and put fish, they will survive. Please and please, do not try it. This is a new tarpaulin pond. If you can smell this tarpaulin pond, you notice that the smell of chemical is still will still be on the body of this tarpaulin pond because it's a new tarpaulin pond. That is why you need to commence proper treatment and fertilization of this pond so as to make this tarpaulin conducive for your fish to survive. You understand? So to treat and fertilize this pond, we would use either poultry dung, plantain leaves and stem, or salt to prepare this pond once we are done installing the inlet and the outlet. After we are done with the fertilization, then we can pump in fresh water and leave for 24 hours before putting in our fingerlings or juveniles. Then we are good to go to use this pond. So that is the ideal way to prepare your pond for fish farming. So that will be that for today. So in case you need something like this, in case you want a tarpaulin pond like this, we construct according to customers' specification. When you give us the size you need, we can then go to our drawing board and do it for you, then deliver to you on your farm. So that will be that for today. I believe you've gotten something from today's video. Remember to share this video, our numbers are going through, our WhatsApp contacts are going through. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.